Change is constant, yet it is so easy to succumb to the status quo. How do you overcome it? How do you go from observing change to driving change? You start with a truck, a good truck, an amazing truck. A truck that defined our notions and expectations of what a truck is. You then take that definition and turn it on its head. You start to challenge the paradigms you created. You make a safe truck safer. Expand its workspace. Reshape how air moves around it. You reinvent its transmission and change the industry on how a truck drives with the Ishift, the first automated transmission. You revolutionize its steering. And you reimagine an engine concept by turning excess energy into fuel efficiency. We take every rule set in stone and ask ourselves, how do we make this even better? So our trucks change, but this mindset, our mindset, always stays the same. Challenging paradigms isn't always easy. Nothing worthwhile is. But the VNL shows us that we can do it again and again and again. And what does the future hold? We already know some of it, but not all of it. Whatever paradigms and expectations await, we know that eventually we can improve on them. That's what the VNL is all about. It's a belief we share with every person who buys a Volvo truck. Change is constant. And if you put your heart into it, so is progress. To us, it's always been about following every success with one simple question. How do we make this better?